The extra virgin olive oil. It's a single ingredient that we source from Liguria, Italy. You can tell when someone has passion and is proud of something, and this family does, and they've been doing it forever. I'm gonna bring in one of my dearest friends, Manolo. Okay, so we're gonna give you a little bit, just enough to heat it. You're gonna smell and taste, and to get the aromas out, you've gotta heat it up. So cup it. We're just heating it up with our body temperature. Okay, now just crack it and smell.
Mmm.
Nutty.
It really smells.
Yeah.
It smells like Italy.
That's it. Okay, ready?
Qatar. Oh. Wow. Very aromatic. Actually make me sweat. A little bit.
Buttery, spicy pepper. Use it on everything. Ice cream, salad, cheese,
Yeah.
pastas,
Arugula.
meats. You cook with it, you finish it, you layer throughout. It has different flavors when it's cooking. It has different flavors that it's gonna bring when you finish with it. You're adding a depth of flavor with one ingredient.
I want more.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Love you.
Love you.